Actually, early on, we weren't even certain that Hubble was going to be able to see distant galaxies. When Hubble was first being designed, the thought was that as you look farther and farther back in time, farther and farther out in the universe, galaxies would become just fainter, low, what are called low surface brightness, just sort of faint diffuse blobs, and you wouldn't be able to see.
Planets outside our solar system has become more routine, but direct evidence is hard to come by.
Most of the observations out there right now are what we call indirect detections. Either the planets are found through spectroscopic observations that reveal a wobble, or they're found as they transit across the face of their parent star.
Began to seriously think of the possibility of telescopes in space. In 1923, Hermann Ober, who was of Romanian and German descent and is widely considered to be the father of space telescopes, wrote a book, Die Rakete zu den Planeten Räumen, putting the idea into print for the first time. After World War II,